Namaskar and namaste to all of you. See this gorgeous look. If you want to achieve this one, and for that, my face makeup has already been uploaded. I'm doing the eye makeup in this one. So if you want to achieve this subtle brown smoky kind of look in just 5 minutes, under 5 minutes, then keep on watching the video, and all the product details are in the description, so definitely check that out. Okay, so let's start. Now firstly I am using Sugar's brown kajal, that is very pigmented, and these are very smooth and creamy. So I'm just applying a very light layer on my upper lid, okay, and very lightly. You don't have to use too much product. Then I am using, for tight lining my upper lid, I am using Sugar's black kajal again, okay, and I'm just gonna lightly tight line my upper lid. Then I'm using the same black kajal to add some darkness under my eyes. Now I'm using ELF's bite size eyeshadow palette, Berry Bad, yeah, and I'm taking the darkest shade and I'm applying it to smudge the black kajal, and I'm using P08 plume brush. Okay, this is a small brush and it actually helps a lot, so I'm using that and I'm applying evenly in all the areas clearly, so that the black smudges out in a brown shade. And I'm taking the same shade and same brush to smudge out the brown kajal I applied on my upper lid. Okay, so firstly I'm just going to use that, and then I'm taking a smaller fluffy brush from Plume again. The number is P24, and then I'm going to take the same dark brown kind of a shade and I'm gonna now smudge it, okay, so that everything looks smooth. Because in eyeshadows, if you see roughness, then it doesn't look that good, so you need to smooth out everything. And I'm just gonna apply that brown shade all over my eyelid in a round motion and a circular motion as well, just to blend out it even more. And yeah, I'm going higher and higher clearly, and then I'm taking a bigger fluffy brush and the lightest shade from the palette, yeah, the transition shade as well, you can see it. And I'm just doing a matte look. I'm not gonna add any glitter or shimmers. Sometimes matte looks are good, and so I just cleaned up the upper lid, and then I'm using the same shade in the lower lid also to smudge out everything evenly. Now I am using my Holy Grail mascara. This is L'Oreal's Infallible mascara. I just love it. I use only this mascara on myself as well as my brides. Okay, yeah, in my video you may not be able to see the effect, but I will do other video for that one. And now the look is complete. Okay. So if you like the content, yeah, tutorial, then please subscribe to the channel and wait for more such tutorials. Also check out the base makeup, it is also under 10 minutes, and please subscribe, please. Thank you and tata.